Sometimes when you're out and about and you find a horticultural treasure, you just have to stop. And this is an amazing tree. This is Cercidiphyllum japonicum Pendula. There's one called Moroccan. It could be Moroccan, I really don't know. It is a Katsura, which is a real underutilized tree in the landscape field. Straight Cercidiphyllum japonicum is an upright shade tree. This is clearly a weeping specimen. You could expect probably 25 feet. Don't know if it would make that in my lifetime. And clearly this tree is probably 30 wide. And it is just extremely graceful. Very few pest problems. Yellow fall color. Flowers insignificant. But just as an interesting specimen plant in the landscape, Cercidiphyllum japonicum Pendula, weeping Katsura, and you want to make a statement, I think this plant does the trick. We don't really need to talk about deer. We don't need to talk about major maladies. It's just a real tough plant, but extremely graceful. And yes, these can be had at a much smaller size. You'd have to be patient, let it grow. But it is just, if you come across one, it's something to entertain, to introduce into your landscape. Weeping Katsura.